Now to the South Bay, where Santa Clara County is withholding vaccine doses from Good Samaritan Hospital after it allowed some teachers to jump the line and get vaccinated early. The Los Gatos Union School District Superintendent told teachers and staff they could be vaccinated since they helped raise money for meals for hospital workers. Teachers were reportedly told they needed to lie and say they were healthcare workers.
And not consistent with our expectations for vaccine providers in the community. So we will be in continued conversation with them, but at this time, we're not in a position where we would provide any additional county allocations to Good Sam, given what occurred.
ABC 7 News reporter Chris Wynn has been following the story and now has the latest on the investigation into this controversy.
In the Los Gatos Union School District, a push to reopen classrooms is now shrouded in controversy.
Schools are a fabric of our society, and they need to open, and we need to move forward.
Last week, teachers were contacted by Superintendent Paul Johnson about an opportunity to receive the COVID-19 vaccine ahead of others. In an email obtained by the Mercury News, the offer was framed by the superintendent as a thank you from Good Samaritan Hospital after the district raised funds at the start of the pandemic to help provide meals for frontline workers. But during a virtual board meeting on Thursday, at least one teacher wrote in during public comment stating his opposition.
The drive to open our schools and please the loudest parents has broken our district leadership. By announcing this unethical partnership with a local hospital to provide vaccines for teachers, district leadership has shown their true colors.
Yet a number of LGUSD board members said they didn't see anything wrong with accepting the offer.
The allegation that something untoward or illegal was done, or at least unethical, I think is false.
This afternoon, the superintendent released this statement saying, quote, "I completely understand concerns about the vaccine rollout, and any characterization I may have made about Good Samaritan returning a good deed was my own personal interpretation. While I apologize for that characterization, I also will continue to advocate for school staff to be a high priority for vaccinations." Citing state regulations and moving on to lower priority groups, Good Sam initially said they issued the appointments to the district once the vaccines began to thaw and only after they failed to find people within Phase 1A and those over 65. However, county officials weren't buying that explanation and over the weekend sent this letter to the hospital, informing them that the county would not be providing their next vaccine allocation until they could prove that they'd be following the rules surrounding the county's vaccine distribution plan. The hospital now says it regrets the error and is conducting an internal investigation to ensure that something like this doesn't happen again. In San Jose, Chris Wynn, ABC 7 News.